Hello. In this, I'm going to teach you about comments. So to begin, we're just going to create a comment / hello world. So this is going to do nothing. That is the point of comments. It isn't code. It marks a section of text that just does absolutely nothing. The main use of comment is to actually describe your code. Give other people who are reading your code a hint of what's happening. So the main use would be, for example, here, writing something like DOM content loaded event is where the program begins, which describes what DOM content loaded does. You can also use comments just to give yourself hints if you're forgetting things. Like, it's completely normal to forget what your own code does. So for example, if you created your own function like add here, that added XY, you could use this, you could use comments to describe that that's what add does. Now, there's also multi-line comments, which let you set multiple lines as a comment. You can use this to deactivate sections of code. Like right there, that will deactivate add. To show this, so alert out 5 + 5 like this. Just as an example, we can see that, of course, adds up to 10. But if you comment out add with the multi-line comments like here, /*, you can see we get a reference error, add is not defined. This is because add is now grayed out because it's a comment and it's not running. So this can be useful if you would like to switch out sections of code and activate old ones. But here you go. Now that you have comments, you can add your own little notes, and like I said, you can use it to deactivate sections of code that you would like. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this learning programming with JavaScript.